been very, very cheerful with my people, even as I was pointing to them exactly. I'm mentally ready for any of the torture that anybody may want to visit on me. Nobody lives here forever. Raila died, and within 72 hours, he was buried. Ogola, next door, I was with the family the other day. He died, and within 48 hours or 24 hours, he was buried. I've told my people very clearly that when it comes to that I die, I like to be buried within 48 hours. I don't want to see any state to be participating, pretending that they have anything to do with me. No state to be involved in my funeral. I've shown them exactly the 2 spots which the family can make the final decision, and I'm ready for anything. The next regime is a different matter, but not this regime.
Are there threats to your life, Mheshimiwa?
Well, they say I went and hid under my bed. That's why I'm alive today. Yes. When people trail you, those who are trailing you, in a normal country, you would rush to the nearest police station. But in this case, I even availed myself at the current police station, and they assaulted me and put me in the cells. And then I've been released, bond free.
Well, I'm just worried you're too calm for what you're going through.
My son, I've survived a plane crash. And when I had the accident in Limuru, my family had to be cancelled because there was a 30% chance of ever me getting out of that operation. It was a 9-hour operation. 30% chance of me ever walking. By the grace of God, I survived the plane crash. People died. I survived that car crash with 18 bones broken, total of 21 injuries. My God is with me. So anybody trying to intimidate, they're wasting their time. I think what is most important is what role you play in the society. I think whatever I'm going through, if I can go through it, what is normal people going through? People's lands are being grabbed from them.